Fun facts about New York. New York is still an ever-changing city with many layers. And these fun facts about New York will make you realize there is even more to this city than UTH. New Amsterdam. 2. The Big Apple has an unusual story. The city's actual name has an interesting story behind it, and one of its nicknames does too. A Big Apple referred to prizes awarded at horse racing events in the 1920s. Since the term meant the ultimate prize or the best, many musicians and journalists started referring to New York with this name, in an attempt to boost tourism after some bad press. New York's tourism board adopted the Big Apple as an official nickname in 1971. Want to know some of New York's other nicknames? The main ones are Empire City, City of Dreams, and the City That Never Sleeps. One of our favorite fun facts about New York has to be about food. The first pizzeria in the US opened in New York City in 1905. As certified by the Pizza Hall of Fame. No list of interesting facts about New York is complete without mentioning the city's diverse population as a collective. The city's citizens speak around 800 languages. Almost half of New York households speak more than one language, and 1/3 are born overseas. And because New York has the big population of any US city, 1 in 38 people in the United States are New Yorkers. We're spoiling you with all these extra facts about New York City that we know you will agree. New York would not be New York without its plethora of cultural influences. Thanks for watching. And want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button now.